So here's another trickier example of number patterns. Let's take a look at some examples. So we have, for the first example, 11, 13, 17, 23, 31, 41, blank. And this is kind of tricky because you're not adding by the same thing each time, right? Because it's not 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And you're also not multiplying by the same thing each time. So what is the pattern? So when you're stuck on number patterns like these, it's always helpful if you want to try to figure out what the common difference is between successful terms. So 11 plus 2 here is 13, right? And difference between 17 and 13 is 4. The difference between 23 and 17 is 6. The difference of 31 and 23 is 8. And the difference of 41 and 31 is 10. So now some patterns begin to emerge that you're adding by 2 more each time. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. So the next term should be then plus 12. And 41 plus 12 is equal to 53. Here's another example. We have 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Again, you're not multiplying by the same thing each time, and you're not dividing or subtracting or adding the same thing each time. So let's take a look at the common differences again. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6, or 3 plus 3 is 6. The common difference here is plus 4. Common difference between 15 and 10 is plus 5. The common difference between 21 and 15 is plus 6. So that means the next number should be plus 7. And thus the answer here is equal to 28. So a good strategy that we can use when we are stuck on these kind of number patterns is just to go ahead and take a look at what is the common difference between successive terms. And here you'll see that the common differences form a very regular pattern of plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. You just add 2 more each time up here, add 1 more each time up here, so then you can easily find out what the answer is.